Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. This week has been a roller coaster ride for the crypto market. Bitcoin surged to an all-time high of $76,300, powered by massive ETF inflows and optimism following Donald Trump's US presidential win. Trump's pro-crypto promises, including ending the war on crypto and making the US the crypto capital of the planet, have sparked a new wave of excitement across the crypto space. Bitcoin's dominance has climbed past 59%, and the broader market capitalization has reached $2.46 trillion. Ethereum also saw a boost, gaining 11% to hit $2,900. With pro-crypto candidates gaining traction in Congress, there's a sense that favorable policies are coming, which could fuel even more growth in the digital asset space. Now let's hear from Mr. Dhrupad Das on how Trump's election win has impacted the crypto market.
So this is the first time that I've seen crypto get so politicized. It's always been impacted by politics, but this time the correlation is absolutely 1:1. The moment the victory comes, we see the price of Bitcoin breaking an all-time high. And obviously the price of Bitcoin and many other digital asset prices were in a wait and watch mode, what you would call a holding pattern. So it was in a holding pattern and it broke out of that pattern immediately upon the news, indicating that people were waiting for this news and they were unsure. Maybe if Donald Trump was not appointed, you may have seen a retraction of the price. It's totally possible. In fact, very likely. So that gives you a sense of what the industry thinks is going to happen. So the industry mood is obviously jubilant. And now, without getting into more politics on this, so I think this simple election result is going to have an international cascading effect, because each country will now have to calibrate its approach as well. And do not forget that the United States is very relevant for many international and multilateral organizations that have a great impact on how crypto is regulated at a global scale. Because unlike other technologies that have existed so far, crypto is very global and very distributed by its very nature, and that is why international guidance becomes very important. So now the experience so far out of America has been that crypto is unregulated, there is no clear guidance, but on the other side there are prosecutions. India has a similar relationship with its crypto markets as well, because on one side there is no clear guidance, and the other side we may not have prosecution, but we definitely have an onerous tax. So the message in both countries has been uniform, which is this is not something we are supporting just yet, even though some lip service is given to blockchain, not Bitcoin, that narrative. But this time this election has said very clearly Bitcoin, which means the entire digital asset industry, not just the underlying technology as a blockchain as a service narrative that's been going on for so long.
We also have Mr. Nitish Mishra, who will break down the post-election market impacts.
The price of Bitcoin recently reached an all-time high, ATH, and one of the biggest factors to influence that was definitely the US presidential elections, where Donald J. Trump emerged as a clear winner. Now the importance of Donald Trump winning this election has been looked upon as one of the biggest motivating factors, whereas he has been very vocal about the cryptocurrency industries, very vocal about the support of Bitcoin in their financial ecosystems. They are looking forward to regulate this overall market, which is a very good news, and especially for the countries who are looking forward to read the framework, where they would understand how the framework designed by the US government will shape the future of cryptocurrency. For now, everything looks positive. We are also waiting for the alt season to reach an ATH.
Now let's cut across to Mr. Nikhil Matre, who will share a few insights on the same.
Bitcoin in true sense is like the benchmark for the crypto industry, and as a result, when Bitcoin hits an all-time high, it will bring a lot of good things for the crypto industry. We will see increased investor inflow. We will see huge volume and liquidity surge, we will also see a lot of shift in the sentiment. Like the sentiment has now turned positive, and that will attract more number of institutional investors and corporate investors to invest in Bitcoin and in the general crypto market. Now, to answer your second question, I think Trump is very, very pro deregulation, and deregulation in the crypto industry would mean a lot of innovation and a lot of growth.
So Bitcoin has surged 20% in the past month and 78% year to date, largely driven by growing institutional interest in Bitcoin ETFs. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust saw a record $4.1 billion in trading volume, while Bitcoin's market cap surpassed Meta's, solidifying its position as a global leader. Meanwhile, Ethereum regained momentum, rising 10% in a single day, with analysts predicting it could hit $5,000 soon. Trump's win has also benefited companies with strong crypto ties. Tesla stock jumped 15% and Elon Musk's net worth surged by $20 billion. MicroStrategy, the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, saw its stock climb 13%, and Coinbase's rally was nearly 16%. Bitcoin mining stocks like CleanSpark, Marathon Digital, and Riot Platforms also posted solid gains. The excitement extended to Bitcoin ETFs, with BlackRock's IBIT up 7%, driven by institutional interest and the ongoing optimism in crypto. Meanwhile, the Solana-based meme coin market hit a record $12 billion in market cap, spurred by a 30% surge in the past 24 hours. Meme coins like Peanut the Squirrel, Goat, Popcat, and Bonk have soared, with notable increases in WIF 13.31% and Bonk 16.62%. In another big development, Indian crypto exchange WazirX has announced plans to launch a decentralized exchange and a new recovery token for users impacted by a cyber attack in July that caused a $230 million loss. The exchange aims to become India's largest DEX within a year, though KYC protocols may be less strict. Airdropped recovery tokens will help compensate users, with the process set to be completed by February 2025. However, many WazirX users are still unable to access their Bitcoin holdings, adding to frustrations amidst rising prices. That's on the weekly wrap for now. This is Mruti Sharma signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to 3 TV, and for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3watchtv.io or scan the QR code. Have a great weekend.